In the intricate world of project management, keeping a tight grip on finances is as critical as managing tasks and timelines. Every project, no matter its size, incurs costs, from software subscriptions and office supplies to travel expenses and subcontractor fees. Understanding where money is being spent and whether those expenditures align with the project budget is crucial for success and profitability. This leads many small business owners, freelancers, and project managers to ask, does FreshBooks track expenses? The answer is an emphatic yes. FreshBooks, primarily known for its invoicing capabilities, is also a robust accounting solution that provides comprehensive features for tracking and managing business expenses. This functionality is not just a nice-to-have. It's an essential component for maintaining accurate financial records, understanding project profitability, and streamlining tax preparation. Think of expense tracking in FreshBooks as having a digital shoebox for all your receipts, but one that automatically sorts, categorizes, and crunches the numbers for you. Instead of manually inputting every single transaction into a spreadsheet, FreshBooks automates much of the process, saving valuable time and reducing the potential for human error. Here's how FreshBooks approaches expense tracking, making it an invaluable tool for effective project management. 1. Automated import from bank accounts and credit cards. One of the most powerful features of FreshBooks expense tracking is its ability to connect directly with your bank accounts and credit cards. Once linked, FreshBooks automatically imports your daily transactions. This means you no longer have to manually enter every single purchase. The software pulls in the data, making it readily available for categorization. This automation is a game changer for businesses with a high volume of transactions, ensuring that your financial records are always up to date with minimal effort. 2. Mobile receipt scanning and storage. Gone are the days of overflowing receipt folders and faded slips of paper. FreshBooks offers a fantastic mobile app that allows you to simply snap a picture of a receipt. The app then uses smart technology to automatically extract key information like the merchant, total amount, and taxes. This digital capture not only keeps your records organized, but also ensures that you never lose another crucial receipt, which is vital for tax purposes and accurate project costing. You can even email receipts directly to your FreshBooks account for easy logging. 3. Smart categorization and customization. FreshBooks comes with a range of predefined expense categories, e.g., advertising, car and truck, office supplies, meals and entertainment, designed to align with common business needs and tax regulations. This helps in quickly classifying your spending. However, recognizing that every business is unique, FreshBooks also allows you to create custom categories and subcategories. This flexibility ensures that your expense tracking truly reflects the specific types of costs associated with your projects and overall business operations. Proper categorization is critical for understanding where your money is going and identifying areas for potential savings. 4. Assigning expenses to clients and projects. This is where FreshBooks truly shines for project managers. You can easily assign individual expenses to specific clients or even particular projects within a client's portfolio. This granular level of tracking provides immense value. Accurate project profitability. By linking expenses directly to projects, you gain real-time insights into the true cost of each project, allowing you to accurately calculate its profitability. This is essential for making informed decisions about pricing future projects and identifying which types of projects are most lucrative. Easy client rebilling. For many service-based businesses, expenses incurred on behalf of a client need to be rebilled. FreshBooks simplifies this by allowing you to mark expenses as billable and even add a markup. These billable expenses can then be effortlessly pulled onto an invoice, ensuring that you recoup all costs and don't leave money on the table. Budget versus actual analysis. When you track expenses against a project, you can easily compare actual spending to your project budget. This allows you to identify overspending early, take corrective action, and keep your projects on financial track. 5. Recurring expenses. Many businesses have recurring expenses like software subscriptions, monthly utilities, or regular retainer payments to contractors. FreshBooks allows you to set up these expenses as recurring, meaning they will be automatically generated at a specified frequency, e.g., weekly, monthly, yearly. This automates another layer of expense tracking, ensuring that consistent costs are always accounted for without manual intervention. 6. Comprehensive expense reports. Beyond just tracking, FreshBooks provides insightful expense reports. These reports offer a detailed breakdown of your spending by category, merchant, client, or project over a specific period. This reporting functionality is invaluable for financial analysis, understanding spending patterns and identifying areas where costs can be reduced. Tax preparation, providing organized, categorized expense data that can be easily shared with your accountant or used for tax filing. FreshBooks categories are often tax-friendly, simplifying the process. Informed decision-making, gaining a clear picture of your financial health, which empowers you to make smarter business and project decisions.